if your parents are not home, or if you want to eat a snack. That's super delicious to me. So I'm going to show you how to make YY instant noodles. So let's start. First, you're going to need the actual noodles here. And you might want to use some scissors to open it. And I don't know what to call this, but a thing. And yeah, and I'll just open this and I'll show you what we're going to do. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to squish them. Oh. It's fine. You can squish them or not, but you first have to get the masala out, or seasoning powder and oil and everything, and the chili.
Yeah,
There we go.
let's smash it.
I forgot the water. Let me just go get it.
You keep forgetting.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
You wash my hands.
There we go. We have the noodles, and I would prefer putting it on the stove, not turning the stove on yet. Because first we're gonna put the seasoning powder and the flavored oil. What should I put first?
Sticking at you.
That's enough. Mix some. Oh, that's way too much. Do you want some? Yeah. And that's all we have. Now let's move on to. It fell. I was gonna put it in there, but clearly it didn't go in. I can eat that later.
I want some a little bit of that.
You want the onion oil?
No, this one.
Sure, there's some over there.
No.
Take it.
No.
Okay. We're done. Now we turn on the stove. I think this is the one, but I think it is. Is it that side? Is it? I don't know which one I'm doing. What side is it? Oh, I think it's just this. Yep, it's not. Now let me just clean this mess up over here. Let me just get a paper towel. I'm gonna say away. Did you finish the whole thing?
No.
Yeah, we just like to lick the seasoning powder. This is turmeric powder.
Yummy.
And we're going to use it to put in to make it orange-ish yellow, I would say. And you can dump it in. There we go. Be careful. It's hot. Put that back in there and put it back where it belongs.
Yeah, I want to make it again.
Now you just have to wait for it to cook. And that might take a while. To cook faster, you can get like a covering thing. You cover like the thing, and you have it on top. And boom, you just turned it in.
When is the done?
It will cook faster. And you just wait. I don't know how long to wait, but it will might take. One thing to do when you're waiting for it to cook is dance.
Yeah, dance.
Get some moves. Dance until it cooks. Yeah. Dance. After you do that, you can get some bowls or plates. It doesn't matter. And get one.
This is gonna be mine.
They're glass, so be careful. That's not where you put it. And you can get some spoons. Be careful. It's hot. Now you get some spoons from over there. Yeah. Spoons and 2 forks. I'm gonna wash these. Right here. Okay, done washing them. Now put the tiny ones in there, big ones. So check how it's doing. Be careful. Oh, it's cooking, but it's not. It still needs a little bit to cook. But if your stir is touching, it's pomegranate juice, and we have two glasses over here for us, me and my sister. Use those. Close call. Now you can open it. Can you please get that? And pour in. You can add how much you want. I'm getting the straws. I am going to check on the noodles a second time. So why don't you get it? So it's cooking. I don't know if it's still in place. I'll move it to see. I don't know how to just. I'll leave it over there. And I'll see. It is cooked, but it needs to be. You want blue one? Sure.
Okay. And I'll get a blue one. Actually, I'm gonna get a blue one.
Be careful when you do this part.
And
it is done.
I'm gonna put this. Okay.
It is done, but it just needs to crumble up. I think it is done, so I think I'm gonna turn it off now. There we go. Now we'll start cooling down. I'm gonna take the cap off. Should I, Ira? Well, take the cap? Okay, whatever.
Yeah.
No, this one is going to move on. Stay away from the steam. There's everything. There. We're done. And we can. Second. Not that much, but it will work. Now you're done. You can sit down and eat. Now you can sit down and eat your food.
Bye.
Noodles are ready now, so now you can enjoy them. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.